I'm a very, very quick one. The issue of the vigilante anywhere now our villages. They were like mega. But we want to know exactly here what the problem of our vigilantes. Actually, because also Sunday vigilante wouldn't in a community. So Sunday vigilante wouldn't really protect the community from the Fulani bandits. So Sunday vigilantes I in our communities I wouldn't really protect our forest. Let me commend our gallant men, the vigilante Amaka Hubi, Nakasulo with the West. Vigilante Amaka Hubi over the years na Bali. Vigilante Amaka Hubi over the years na Bambo. In fact, I say Mukweno over the West, the strongest vigilante over the West, won Amaka Hubi. Amaka Hubi vigilante. And even Amaka Hubi, a lot of forest, bushes surrounding that community. And a lot of forest, you can link Amaka Hubi forest to Omogoma, to Orogwe, to Abunade Irete, and other places over the West, and even over the North. You know, so Amaka Hubi where these criminals, Fulani bandits, here where behind the AG, or here behind the AG, behind the doing the mad. These Fulani bandits, when they get trauma, no rogue, now, or trauma, the Nirete, Ebonya again with Tongue, when Amaka Hubi. And when they get trauma, and Debu now, Ebonya again with Tongue, when Amaka Hubi. And all this while, Amaka Hubi vigilante have been trying. Actually, can be vigilante or rogue. Ndi vigilante irete. Vigilante in Debu. Roko with Ndamako Hubi. Vigilante. All the very, very important. All the possible. Nde vigilante omogoma. Nde vigilante oforola. Eziobodo. Naze. Obizeha. Nekedeha. Let these people have a central vigilante. Because I own the reason why Nde Fulani bandit she throw mad than Debu, for instance. Burunda running more here Degu now for like 2 days. Bruha shift to only more here Amaka Hubi. Mabruha bani more here Mogoma. Now wagari more here Mogoma. Hagano 4 days, 5 days, nde jidera. Anything, no attack, no nothing, no confrontation. That man Ebrule and Degu. None of 4 days in more here. These Fulani bandits were transporting them more here for 4 days. You know, and the problem with coordination. The vigilantes now that's Azix, Ndebuha, Ireteha, Orogweha, Obakoha, Ejebekuruha. The vigilantes should have a common or central vigilante. They should have a central vigilante. How question communication. So that when Yemen and Degu, then Degu can radio Ndamako Hubi. Ndobako can radio Ndejemekuru. Or radio Ndi Zombe. You know? Ienda Dio Kempa. These things are very important. Orukwa makande Fulani bandit. Hajuole ni mo heani. Nde Fulani bandit. Juru ni mo heani. Nde Fulani bandit. Hajuru ni mo heani. And how much are group by group. According to one nine okay, Sheba Helota. Hanona group by group. And when you can get Rolagi, and release Egni Moya, can I put another group, a Brugi? And all of them which are Fulani bandits. All of them. So, we have one of them because when you hear what they are telling them, that's here. Given what we must state today, Haga what we must state successfully. We are too quiet. We are too dormant. Nde vigilante na abali ekelekwa amunu. Nde vigilante ndozo na abali ekelekwa amunu. Jishidi ike, but you need to do more. You need to do more. Oh yeah, hebenda na wande madu na aba. Una na abali. Ka unu just ya warrior. I just warrior like oh yeah, 1 pole, 2 pole, 3 poles. Owu na enweghị ike iwe ọhịa, wami ọhịa wami. Because ndị Fulani bandits a na wami ime ọhịa. Ha na-awa ime ọhịa ma ha na ọhịa dị na mma. Onwe ọhịa ha agaghị awa. But ebe ewe ebe ka anyị, and ọhịa ahụ wa ọhịa anyị. I am making this video to commend the vigilantes Balega no were West. Neke Balega na Bitolu. But I want Ndobako to step up. Actually, I'm Obako vigilante, step up. Obako vigilante, step up. And we will a lot of rubbish news I know about the umunani and the Fulani bandits in Aroko. About to some of umunani and the Fulani bandit information. Moneji hozo, neji hopo. Opo diala ni lai mwene the Fulani bandits amatachala ya. Oh diala jiri here. Opo diala ni lai mwene be. Fulani bandits amatachala ya. Oh diala jiri hopo. Ehona? Every community, John Onguna Ajuju. All where each community can put a call for. A put a call for. Then I rock within the Fulani bandit. On Buha. Oga Herule. All the communities are put. Ndoprani labor for puta. Ekubioku. Ekubioku. Ndeni ile wunde hana Fulani bandits in a no boda. Nimo state. Na community. Each community apụta kwuo ye iwu nwoke iwu nwaanyị iwu nwata iwu okenye gị na ndị Fulani bandit a na-atọrọ ụmụnne gị alakụgbu okwe gị oge eruole mgbe all the communities ndị eze ndị traditional rulers ga-apụta epupụta ọfọ ehu oye ọ bụrụ na emeghị some of our brothers are very hungry and very wicked and heartless. They will continue to betray us. Then ndị vigilante niile anyị unu n'ala ntị unu n'ala ndị vigilante niile enwere n'Owerri West ndị vigilante Ọgbakụ ndị vigilante Ejemekwuru Ihe Agwa ndị vigilante Agwa Izombe anyị unu n'ala ntị unu n'ala ekwuchakwa m ọ bụ ihe niile ka anyị ga-ekwu ebe a ndewonu.